Saturday morning, you run to the lake. You see your favorite fishing spot, no one's there. The nervous feeling in your stomach goes away. You go to cast and you notice there's a knot in your setup. Everything's ready. Don't cut your line. Here's a quick fix you can do right at the lake. Here's a quick fix so you can keep fishing. What I'm going to do is pull some line out here. Pull enough line out so you can work on this. So what I'm going to do is cross this over like that. Now I'm going to wrap these two lines around each other 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to put this knot through that loop I just made. Pull that all the way through like that. Now I'm just going to tighten that up. Of course, always wet your line. Nice and tight. And there you have it. Now I'm going to cut these two lines off right here. I'm going to cut it very close to that knot without touching the fishing knot. Now you can see that knot is very strong. Now let me show you a close-up of how we fix a knot in our line without cutting our line. I'm going to reach across and grab that. Then I'm going to reach across and grab that like that. What we have there is an X. Now I'm going to twist these two lines around each other 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to put that loop for that knot in our line right through that loop. And I'm going to pull that through there like that. Now I'm going to wet my fishing line and pull each side tight. Now that knot right there is very strong. Now I'm going to come in and cut this unwanted knot off my fishing line. I'm going to get close to that knot I just made here without touching it. And there's our knot. Now, as you can see, that knot will go through the line guides easily. It will even go through the smallest line guide at the end. No problem. Now, here's a problem you're going to run into. You don't know how it happens, but the fishing line is not behind the bail. So the quick fix is remove the spool, open the bail, put the spool back on, tighten your drag knob, close your bail, and you're ready to rock and roll. Now here's another problem you probably ran into. You go to cast and the fishing line is wrapped around a fishing rod. Don't cut your line. For this quick fix, we're going to remove the fishing spool. So you take the drag knob off, you open your bail, you pull your spool off, and you just wrap that spool around the rod so that twist comes off. Now you're going to replace your spool. Make sure your bail is open. Put that spool back on. Replace your drag knob. Close your bail. Once again, you're ready to go at your favorite fishing spot.